So it's time to do some work on the garden railway. Yeah, there's still some weeding needs to be done, but I can get it up. I got the track re-leveled, and I got it up and running with my new C-19 in the Bumblebee paint scheme, pulling Bumblebee, Denver, and Rio Grande passenger cars. This is the Bachmann Spectrum C-19, representing 345 as they painted it for, I forget which movie, if it's Denver and Rio Grande or if it's Ticket to Tomahawk, but it and those passenger cars got that paint scheme for the movie. So that's what I've got represented here. Runs pretty smooth. Gotta say, I like this engine. And this is the new cactus garden I've been working on. I gotta get more of this gravel, but that looks really good. It'll give me a nice southwest look, and so I fixed the bridge over here a little bit, and this will be really cool over here. And here comes the train again.
Gotta go. He's making the move.
And that's enough for this train.